Everyone is talking about these 3 townhouse launches in Dubai, but which one actually gives you the best value? Let's comparison today. So we have Greens by Danube, Tilal by Bengati and Hayat by Dubai South. Let's start with the price. Average price for Greens and Tilal we have 4.5 million, whereas Hayat by Dubai South is slightly higher, which is 4.6 million. But where it's getting interesting, let's come down to the sizes. So sizes, if we see the built up area for Greens and Tilal, it's almost like 2,900 square feet, but when we look at the built up size of Hayat, it's 3,801, which is a massive built up area for a 4-bedroom. And if we look at the plot sizes are again average for a Tilal and Greens, it's around 1,600, but when we look at the plot size of Hayat by Dubai South, it's almost the double, which is 3,700 square feet. Now let's talk about the price per square feet. We see that Greens and Tilal, we have average price per square feet which is around 1,550, but when we look at Hayat, it's on another level, which is 1,184. It means it has the lowest price per square feet of gated townhouse community in Dubai right now. Now let's look at the payment plan. So if we see Greens and Tilal, we have the same payment plan, which is 60% during construction and 40% on handover, whereas Hayat by Dubai South, we have 40% during construction, 30% on handover and 30% post handover for 2 years. When we look at the handover, we have Tilal by Bengati and Hayat, it's Q1 2029, whereas if we see Greens, it's Q4 2029. Now let's have a look on the locations. Greens and Tilal, it's next to Academic City towards north part of Dubai near to Silicon Oasis, and Hayat is in Dubai South, which is one of the fastest growing area right now in Dubai. And when it comes to future growth potential, both sides has a strong reason. For Greens and Tilal, there is a major investment happening around Dubai Silicon Oasis, plus DFC expansion is also announced. Now if we talk about Dubai South is also booming. Government has already invested 100 billion in new Al Maktoum International Airport, plus Expo City is going to be the major business and lifestyle hub, which can drive huge rental and resale demand in the future. Finally, the developer benefits. So as we discussed, in Greens and Tilal, you're getting 60-40, but the best part in Greens, you're getting fully furnished townhouses and villas. When we talk about Hayat, there's a 5% down payment, which no other developer is giving in Dubai right now. And there's a 2% DLD waiver and 2 years service charge waiver. So now you have seen the comparison, but the question is, which one would you invest in? So comment Greens, Tilal or Hayat. And if you're looking for the best unit, you know who to contact, Urban Class Properties.